If the field of AI safety achieves one thing before 2027, what would that thing be? That's the question that's being asked at LISA, which is the London Institute for Safe AI. If you're new here, my name is Janet. I talk about AI, tech, and culture. And I'm so excited to be partnering with the Future of Life Institute to tell you a bit more about this. So first up on stage was Dewey, who is the CEO of Blue Dot. And for him, the focus was on hiring the right people into the space. For context, the AI safety field is quite small. He said that what this space needs is people who are doers, people who have a sense of agency. As opposed to looking for a job, it's all about trying to understand what problem you want to solve, what bottleneck you want to get rid of, and focusing on that. And organizations like Blue Dot have grants, resources, education to help you to achieve that goal. Next up, we had Monica, who's an AI researcher. And for her, the solution was more technical and tactical. And she said, if there's one thing we want to work on before 2027, it's really bolstering the field of monitoring research, because there are some really practical solutions that are being worked on in the field. She shared some of her work, like monitoring bench. She talked about some of the black box monitors that she's working on. So if you're more technically minded, that's definitely something that you can look into. And also Apollo are hiring. Next up, we had Renan from the Institute of AI Policy. And for him, the focus is on preventing misuse through multiple oversight points. So paying attention to warning shots, so like when Mythos came out and the response that generated. Introducing AI laws in other parts of the world outside the US, so the EU, Brazil, thinking about verification technology, security technology. It was a good overview of all the different ways in which this issue can be tackled. Now, for an individual looking at this, it's like, how can I get involved? I love that the Future of Life are thinking about a better path to AI. And on their page, they have created so many different ways in which you can get involved as a citizen, whether you work in policy, whether you're a creator, whether you work in government, whether you're more technically minded. So if this is a topic that you're interested in, I would suggest that you spend some time on that page and figure out how you can get involved. I'm also going to include some more details in Substack, so make sure you look out for that.